Welcome dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Learners. In this session, we are going to see important MCQs on corrosion. This is part second. If you have not gone through the first part, please click on this I button here. Now we will see the MCQs of part 2. So this is the question number 1. Dash is used in powder coating. So the options are given: A. Polymeric compound, B. Organic compound, C. Metallic compound, D. Organic paint. The correct answer is A. Polymeric compound, because in powder coating the thermosetting or thermoplastic polymers are used as a powder and they are the polymers. Next question. The electrostatic charging medium is used to charge the powder material. The statement is true or false? Yes, the statement is true, because in powder coating electrostatic charging material is used, or this electrostatic charging medium is used. Next question. Curing can be done in, the options are A. Oven, B. Gun, C. Powder, D. Medium. The correct answer is oven, because curing is the process of applying uniform coating that can be done in oven at 100 to 120 degrees Celsius temperature. Next question. Powder coating is an eco-friendly method. The statement is true or false? Yes, the statement is true, because as compared to a conventional paint, powder coating is eco-friendly method because it forms less or no VOCs. VOC means volatile organic compounds. Next question. Water and two different metals when comes in contact with each other, the type of corrosion is, the options are given: A. Dry corrosion, B. Simple corrosion, C. Wet corrosion, D. Water corrosion. The correct answer is wet corrosion, because these are the three important things which are required to set wet corrosion, that is water and two different metals. This is also called as galvanic corrosion. Next question. In pitting corrosion, small active area of metal acts as, options are given: A. Passive part, B. Anode, C. Cathode, D. Electron acceptor. The correct answer is anode, because the small active part of metal acts as an anode. Next question. On considering wet corrosion, the iron tank contains acidic water, acts as, options are given: A. Simple metal, B. Anode, C. Cathode, D. Electron acceptor. The correct answer is anode, because the iron tank acts as an anode and get corroded. Next question. The reaction is given: Fe plus O2 plus H2O gives Fe2 plus twice OH minus ions, or this is FeOH twice. So the product of this reaction is rust. The options are true or false. Yes, it is true, because in corrosion of iron, rust is a product of corrosion. The formula is FeOH twice. Rust is reddish brown in color. Next question. In oxygen absorption mechanism, dash electrons are transferred from iron to form rust. So options are given: 2, 1, 4, 3. The correct answer is 2. The 2 electrons are transferred or lost and Fe is converted into Fe2+. This is the process of oxidation of iron. Next question. Tin coated sheets passed from palm oil. The options are given: A. To prevent, from further corrosion, B to prevent from further reduction, C to increase adhering capacity, D to increase durability. The correct answer is to prevent from further oxidation, because in tinning SN is used to coat on iron. It is more active metal, therefore palm oil is applied to prevent it from corrosion, that is oxidation. Next question. Metal whose corrosion takes place is, the options are given: A. Active metal, B. An anode, C. Passive metal, D. Cathode, E. Both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B, because you please remember this equation, that active metal is equal to anode is equal to oxidation is equal to corrosion. So this is very important statement. Next question. Large pipelines can be prevented by, the options are given: A. Paint, B. Sacrificial anodic protection, C. Cathodic protection, D. Galvanizing. And the correct answer is sacrificial anodic protection, because large pipelines made as cathode by attaching an active metal to it. Therefore, whatever the simple anodic metal which is attached to the pipeline, that acts as a sacrificial anode, because it get corroded and the pipeline get protected or prevented. Next question. Which of the following statement is true for stress corrosion? The options are given: A. When metal stressed, the coating on metal surface is cracked and corrosion starts. B. The smaller cracked part acts as anode. C. It cannot be takes place due to unexpected sudden failure. And D. Formed due to small pit in a metal surface. The correct answer is A. When metal stressed, the coating on metal surface is cracked and corrosion starts. Next question. Curing is done. Options are after powder coating and B. Before powder coating. The correct answer is A. After powder coating, because curing is the final process after powder coating. It can be done to make coating uniform. Next and the last question. Gold is corroded in A. Acidic buffer solution, B. Strong electrolyte solution, C. H2SO4, D. Mercury. And the correct answer is D. Mercury, because gold get corroded in mercury because it forms amalgam, but iron is protected in mercury, and this is surprising statement. In this way, we'll conclude here. So thank you all of you. For any doubts or queries, please post in comment section, and for more important videos like this, please subscribe to my channel Chemistry Learners. Thank you.